When it comes to the muscle behind demanding industrial applications, Intel Core processors are a top contender. These CPUs are engineered for performance, reliability, and flexibility, making them ideal for tasks like factory automation, robotics, and edge computing. Industrial processes often require real-time decision-making, and Intel Core processors deliver. The latest 13th Gen processors boast up to 14 cores and a hybrid architecture that combines performance cores with efficient cores. This means you get the raw power to handle complex calculations while maintaining energy efficiency. Additionally, support for PCIe 5.0 and high bandwidth memory like DDR5 ensures smooth data flow for even the most demanding workloads. Industrial settings can be unforgiving. Dust, vibrations, and extreme temperatures can wreak havoc on electronics. Intel Core processors for industrial applications are built to withstand these challenges. Select SKUs are compliant with extended temperature ranges and come with features like in-band error connection code IBECC memory to protect data integrity. This translates to less downtime and more reliable operation. No two industrial applications are the same. That's why Intel Core processors offer a range of options to meet your specific needs. From low-power embedded processors for space-constrained devices to powerful rack-mount computers for complex control systems, there's an Intel Core processor that's right for you. For the most demanding industrial automation applications, use an Intel Core processor. Industrial PC Inc. offers many fanless computers with the Intel Core processor, which you can browse, configure, and purchase at industrialpc.com.